Yes, good morning children. How are you all? Yes, I am also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class we were discussing about division. Then what's the division? Anybody? Yes, you are correct. Division means it's a group of numbers or things or objects equally sharing or making an equal groups. In the group of total number of groups, from that we are making a yes. One more definition. Anybody? Very good. Division, it is a repeated subtraction. What is that? Division, it is a repeated subtraction. Yes. How multiplication is repeated addition? Or same way, the division is a repeated subtraction. 25 chocolates you are distributing among 25 people. 5 people. 5 people means each one will get how many chocolates? That you have to. First we will give for everybody one chocolate, then 5 less. How many remain? 20 are. Again 5. Again you give one more. Increase one more. Then 15 is remaining. Again you give one more for them. Then they have collected 3 chocolates. 1 time 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 10 are there. Again you start giving one chocolate. Again they will get 4 chocolates. Yes. 10 minus 5. Again 5 are remaining. Then distribute that 5 also. Then 0 is remaining. 5 times 5 chocolates they got. Yes or no? 5 times. Then we can say 5 into 5 is 25. Subtracted. This is the repeated subtraction. How many times you have subtracted 5? Yes. 5 times we subtracted 5. That times is, it says us the quotient. Quotient is the yes answer. And we have seen the terms of division. What are the terms? First, yes, it is dividend, divisor, quotient, and undivided number, that is the yes undivided number, remainder. We have seen. Then we have saw some properties also. If the remainder is 0, then quotient is equals to what? Yes, dividend divided by divisor. Dividend if remainder is 0. See here, remainder is 0 means then quotient is equals to quotient. What answer we are getting? That is equals to dividend divided by divisor. Yes. And one more. Yes, that is divisor is equals to you can change quotient and divisor. Then dividend will be the same. Dividend is equals to divisor is equals to dividend divided by this quotient you divide. Then we will get a divisor. Yes. Then and one more we have, that is if the remainder is 0, then dividend is equals to, we want dividend only. They given us dividend. They given us a quotient and divisor. We just multiply quotient into yes divisor. Then you will get a dividend only. How? The just example, 5 5 is a 25. Or you can take another number. 6 3 is a 18. Divided by 3 is a yes. 18 you divided by 3 times. 3 1 is 3. 3 6 times it is 18. Then here the remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0 here, then we can say 3 and 6. 6 is the quotient, 3 are the divisor, 18 is the dividend. Quotient is equals to 6 is equals to dividend. Dividend is 18 divided by yes 3. Our answer is correct. Next one more we have what? That is divisor. Divisor is equals to, divisor is what? 3 divisor. 3 is equals to dividend 18 divided by yes quotient. Quotient what we got? Yes 6 is quotient, right? This is the answer. And one more, that is dividend is 18 and quotient is yes quotient is 6 and divisor is 3. 6 3 is 18. These are the terms. If remainder is 0, then we can say this is the division fact. Other than this, again we have learned about the properties. Yes, which one is the first property? Anybody? Yes, correct. If 0 is divided by a non-zero number. If 0 it is divided by a non-zero number except 0, 1, 10, 100 or 1000, then quotient will be the 0 only. Quotient will be 0 only. Yes. Here you should not take a 0. It should not be 0 other than 0. And one more property, second one. Yes. Correct. Any number except 0, any number it is dividing by itself, then the quotient is always 1. Take any number, 100 divided by 100. 100 pearls are there, you have to distribute among 100 people, then each one will get one pearl. And third one property, yes, very good. Any number is divided by other than 1. Or sorry, any number is other than 1, any number it is 1 also divided by 1, then we will get the quotient as a same another number only. What number you are dividing? What number you are dividing? Yes, we are dividing 100 by 1 only. One time we are dividing means we will get the same. This is, here there are 5 chocolates. We have to distribute only for one people, one person. One person means he will get all 5 chocolates. He will get all 5 chocolates. This is the third property. Yes or no? And you have to go through it, read twice. And today we will see the relation between multiplication and division. What's the today's topic? Yes, the relation between multiplication and division. That is so simple. For the one multiplication fact, we can write two division facts. Yes, the relation between multiplication and division. What is the relation? It's a very simple. How the relation between addition and subtraction? Here in addition you are counting forward. 15 plus 5. Yes, we can say it is 20. Here reverse. Subtraction is 15 minus 5. Here counts backward. That is we will get a 10 only. Like this in subtraction also. In division also we can change the addition sentence, multiplication sentence into division sentence. Here this is a multiplication sentence. Yes or no? Multiplication sentence, we can write it as division sentence. How? First, which is the bigger number product you take as a dividend. Product is dividend. Then any one of the factor out of 2, any one of the factor you can take as a divisor, 4 or 3. Then another factor it must and should be, it's a quotient only. Yes or no? This is the relation. It is inverse relation. 12 it is divided by 4, it gives us 3. Yes, or we can write one more sentence. Why you are taking 4 here? Instead of 4 I can take 3. 12 divided by 3, what gives us? Yes, 3 ones you count, then what's the remaining number? This is 4. Then 12 if you divide by 3, we will get the quotient as a 4. This is the relation between division and multiplication. Or if they give for you the 35 divided by 7 is equals to 5. This is the division sentence. Then by using this division sentence we can write a multiplication sentences. How? This is the dividend is what I said. Dividend is product. Right? Dividend is product. Product you are writing is equal to after in the right side. Then remaining number, this divisor and this quotient are multiply these two, then you will get a multiplication sentence. That is 7 5 is 35. That only we can write 5 7 is also, it gives us 35. Yes or no? This is the changing of multiplication sentence into division sentences to multiplication sentence, and here multiplication into division sentence. It is just inverse process. Means 4 into 6 it is 24. 4 6 are 24. We have to write change into division sentence. How? The bigger number, the product is we have taken as dividend, then any one of the factor you take as a divisor. 24 divided by 4, then 4 on the count until you get 24. 4 on the 4, 4 2 z, 4 3 z 12, 4 4 z 16, 4 5 z 24, 6 z 24. Correct? 4 6 z 24. Then we have to write here 6. Next we can write change. 24 I will take divisor as 6, then the question will be yes 4. This is the converting, changing multiplication sentence into division sentence. Like this, some examples are given in your textbook. 6 examples are there, that is changing multiplication sentence into yes division sentence. You will see those all. Page number 135. Write 2 division sentences for each multiplication sentence. The question is write 2 division sentences. Write 2 division sentences for each multiplication sentence. Yes, here the first multiplication sentence is, what's that? Anybody? Yes, 5 4s are 5 4s are just like given the same example. 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20. It is a multiplication sentence. You have to change into what? Division. First you have to take a what number? Bigger number. Out of these 3 product, which is the product? Anybody? Yes, correct. 20 is the product. Then divided by any one of the factor. You can take as a divisor 5. I will take first number 5. Then remaining number is what is remaining? Just you write 4. 20 divided by 5, it gives us a 4. Then 20, the dividend is same. Instead of 5, we will take 4. Then the quotient will be, yes, it is 5. How I told the fact? If the remainder is 0, dividend divided by quotient is equals to divisor. Dividend divided by divisor is equals to quotient, like this. This is a division fact. So simple. And one more. B. 6 7s are yes 42. It is a multiplication. Now say which is the dividend? Correct. 42 divided by any one of the factor, either 6 or 7. We will take first number 6. Then remaining number, yes, it is 7. So simple. Then again dividend 42 divided by, here you are taken in first sentence 6. Then we can change the divisor 7. Then what is the quotient? 7 6 42, like this. 7 into 6 is equals to 42, like this. Is equals to, instead of reading in is equals to, if you read 6 into 7 6 yes, it should come here, like this. And one more. Yes, 9 8s are 72. Yes, what is the number? What are the numbers? Yes, 72 is the dividend, 9 is the divisor. What is the quotient? Very good. 8 is the another quotient. You can change the divisor. 72 by yes 8. 72 by 8. It gives us the quotient. Very good. 9. Same like this. One more. That is 4 into 2. Very simple problem. 4 2s are 8. Then what is the dividend? Anybody? Yes, correct. 8 is the dividend. Here what is the product? That is the dividend. And this is also factor. This is out of these 2 factor. We can take any one. Yes, as a divisor. Either 2 or 4. Then what is the quotient? Yes, 4 is the quotient. 8 divided by, instead of 2, I will change 4. Then quotient is 2. Simple, no? Any difficulty? No difficulty. If you have, give a call to me and I will explain it. Now, write all these questions neatly in your notebook. Maintain notes and take a picture of it and send through app. I will correct it. Don't miss, write everything neatly and clearly. Now next, E 66 into 6 into 4. It is 24. Now we can change it. Division sentence, 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4. Then 24 divided by 4 is equals to, we can write it as a 6. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. One more, that is last one. You can take any number of problems. 8 7s are 56. Which is the dividend? 56 divided by 8 is equals to 7. Then 56 divided by 7 is equals to, we can write as a 8. This is the relation between division and multiplication. And after this we can see the direct division numbers. Yes, we can write the questions for the given problem. How? So simple it is, in the row only, not with the actual process. We can, it's the exact division. Question number 2 from the same page, 135. Divide. We have to write a number. Example 24, 28 divided by 4. Now we have to recall the tables. Tables are very important. You should know up to minimum 30. Minimum 30 or 35. If maximum 40 also, it's okay. No problem. 28 divided by 4. We should count the table of 4 on the 4 on the 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. Yes, count with me. 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 35. But we want what number? Yes, 28. 4 how many times is 28? Yes, 4 7 times it is 28, means here already 4 is there. Then we have to write quotient as 7. Correct? 4 28 divided by 4, it gives us 4 7 times is 28. One more, it is 45 divided by 5. Yes, 5 ones. 5 ones count. 5 how many times is 45? Yes, anybody? Correct. 5 9 times. 5 9 times is 45. We can say directly. Then see, that is 64 divided by 8. 8 how many times is 64? Here how many times you have to count? 8 ones count. After that, and don't multiply it. See the sign, it is a sign of division. It is not a multiplication. Some people, what do you do? 64 into 8, sir, told 8. No, it is multiplication, sir. 4 8 is 32. 32, 6 8 is 48, 51, sir, 512. Yes, is it correct? Wrong. It is a multiplication. But we are dealing with the division. Division means count how many times will come. That time is the answer here. Yes, not the product. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48. Yes, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. Then 64 came means 8 eights are, it is 64. Next, D. 54 divided by 9. 54 divided by 9. Yes, 9 on the table. Table of multiplication, table of 9. 9 how many times is 54? Anybody? Yes, 9 6 times it is 54. 9 6 are 54. Then each one. Yes, 54 divided by 6. Yes, in the previous example and this one we can see it very easy. It is 6 times what number is 54? Correct. Here see, 54 divided by 9 is 6. Then 54 divided by 6, it should be 9 only. Then the 56 times 9 is 54, or 9 times 6 is also 54. then F1. F 40 divided by 8. 40 divided by 8. 8 ones are, count 8 ones the table. 8 how many times is 40? Yes, correct. You are correct. 8 5 times it is 40. Then Z 63 divided by 9. 9 how many times is 63? Very good. H it is 63 divided by 7. Yes, both answers are here only. One is correct, 7, and one more is 9. Here only change that. So simple. Correct? No? Any doubt? Okay. Some problems they will give in a word. You can write all these neatly in your notebook and as well as in your textbook also. Copy these all. Next, third question, that is third, or write the answer in the blank. Write the answer in the blank. The question are given in the word form. You have to think, yes, change into the number form, then write. The dividend is 872. Alright, write the answer in the blank. Write the answer in the blank. Yes. A, first one, the dividend is 872. The dividend is 872. The quotient is 1. The quotient is 1. Then what is the divisor? What is the divisor? Here we will continue. What is the divisor? Yes, you have to change this sentence into word. First, how? It is so simple. Example first. Write the dividend 872 divided by, divisor we don't know. We don't know what is the divisor, but quotient after the, yes, right side after the is equals to, we know that the quotient is 1. Then what should be here number? You know this property. Which is property? Yes, any number is divided by itself, then only the quotient is number 1. Then only the quotient is 1. 872 you divided by